Okay, my name is Christian Calindes. Now I am going to the my song analysis. This song called "Living of a Jet Planet" by John Denver. Okay, this song is a romantic song. Because the lyric and the lyrics is slow and so this song have many chains for a different part. And this song have many chains, but is romantic song because he has a lot of words, and he explains about the love, the feeling that he has, maybe more and the lyrics is romantic. This lyric creates a feeling into me, and the lyrics makes I feel more happy, more all over life. This mode and this song makes that feelings into of me. And your lyric is beautiful. Is for dedicate about other person of or partners. We can dedicate these songs. These has a beautiful lyric. And the voice this man is great because he's Mr. John sings very well, and he goes according with your song, your pizza, and this makes a better song. This is my analysis. Thank you so much.